we got the menu set up and we're getting with the stuff, but we don't have our food. The dude bringing our food ain't here yet. We were supposed to start 5 minutes ago. Dad, what do you say about this? Not being able to start this on time.
That's normal for us. We never start on time.
Our food ain't here yet. Oh, the barbecue. We got mostly everything but our food.
Which is the main ingredient.
Yeah, which is
the main ingredient.
There's a Coca-Cola truck. Hey, there it is.
All right.
And there's our food. This is Hampton, Florida. A small city. And there he comes with the food. Red cooker. And we got our barbecue now.
Alright, move back to school.
You have to take those things off.
Have to take that truck.
But we gotta take it off.
Because we gotta lift the door up so he can get by.
Trash can. Dad.
We're not gonna hook that trash bag.
Nice. I just took him. Dad, hold the camera.